going to record. Okay, before we actually get into this, let me open it up. Can anyone tell me what is a factor in your own words? What is a factor? Go ahead, Jonathan.
Factors is like less than multiples.
Is it listing multiples? So if I asked, what are the factors of the number 6? What would you tell me?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, and 6. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So if we had to describe that in words, now that you told me what the factors are for the number 6, if we had to describe in words, just give a general statement as to what they represent, what would you say a factor is? Okay, so I'm going to help you out in very basic terms. A factor is the numbers that we multiply to get to come back to our original number, which is also our product or our answer, right? So if I wanted to get back to, and factors are used in multiplication. Factors and multiples we normally see as terms in multiplication. So if I wanted to find out what numbers can I multiply together to get the number 6, Jonathan correctly told me that the factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So if I multiply 1 times 6, I get back my original number 6. Likewise, if I multiply 2 times 3, I get back my original number 6. So good job. Let's just annotate, and I'm gonna put that. We'll fill these out. So we said factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay. So since we got that, Ethan, I'm gonna let you try the second one, the factors of 10. Can you tell me what those are? Oh, Ethan.
I'm switching to my laptop.
So mute one of your devices. Okay, once you're all set up, Ethan, just let us know, what are the factors of the number 10?
1, 2, 5, and 10.
Good job, excellent. 1, 2, 5, and 10. Good. Okay, Kaylin, you're up next. What are the factors of the number 18?
1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18.
Okay, that was a mouthful. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Awesome stuff. Very good, gentlemen. Okay. And so, Jonathan, we're going to come back to you. You're going to do 20 for us. What are the factors of the number 20? 1, 2. Your volume's fading.
I said 1, 2, 4,
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
5
Good.
and 10.
10 and what? And 20. Awesome sauce. Good. Okay, so you guys have the gist of this. We'll round off the last three in this order. We have Ethan, you'll do 36. Kaylin, you'll do 50, and Jonathan, you'll do 100. Okay, so we start with Ethan.
One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36.
6, 9, 12. I'm running out of space.
18.
18 and 36. Do we agree with him, gentlemen?
Yes,
Jonathan
ma'am.
and Kevin? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
excellent job, Ethan. Very good. 36 has a whole lot of factors, doesn't it? Okay, you're up, Kaylin. 50.
1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50.
Okay, is that all of them? Yeah, I think you got it. Good. And we save the last one for Mr. Jonathan. Let's try 100, Jonathan.
1,
Mm-hmm.
5,
You skipped 1. What'll come before 5?
4,
4 will come before 5, definitely, but there's another number that comes before 4 even. What number comes right after 1?
2,
2. Just remember 2 times 50 gives us 100. So you said 1, 2, 4, 5. Keep going.
4,
We have 4. Because we're going in numerical order.
6,
6. Can we multiply 6 by another number and get 100?
Mom.
No. Okay. So as you go through and figure out your factors, and I know you're just getting a chance to look at this, so good job. But ask yourself, the number that I choose, can I multiply that by another number and get 100? Right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think our next number would be, or our next factor would be of 100?
7,
Can we multiply 7 by a number and get 100?
Mom.
No. So we can cross out 7, 8, and 9. What comes after 9?
10,
Good. 10 is our next factor. 10 times 10 gives us 100. Now we could start working backwards, right? We can say what number can I multiply by 5 and get 100? 5 times what gives me 100?
5 times 50,
Well, 50 is certainly a factor, but 5 times 50 gives us 250, not 100. Can someone help him out? 5 times what number gives us 100?
20.
5 times 20, yes, good. Okay, give me another factor, please, Ethan. Let's help Jonathan out. Another factor of 100.
25.
25, excellent. Okay, and then there's the last one. What's the obvious one, Jonathan?
100.
100, awesome. Okay, do we have any others? Did we miss any? Okay, so I know you guys, your table looks much better than mine. Mine is a bit all over the place, but we have the factors there, okay? You can go ahead, Jonathan, and just make sure you fill this out. Fill in your table for number 1. So those are all your answers right there in terms of factors. Now, multiples are easier. Can anyone tell me what is a multiple? What's the definition of a multiple in your own words? No guesses? Okay, let me help you out. So if I take a number in our table, we have the numbers 5, 7, 8, 10, 20, 25, 100. If I take my first number, 5, and I multiply it by a regular counting number, the answer that I get, or my product, is a multiple of the original number. So a multiple is the given number or the answer of a given number multiplied by a counting number. So when we write out our times tables, which is basically what I'm doing, I am multiplying my number by a counting number. The answer that I get, that is a multiple, okay? And we can do this all the way up to infinity, right? So one thing to note about factors, factors are smaller or equal to the original number. Multiples are larger or equal to our original number. Okay, makes sense? Okay, so given that bit of information, the first 5 multiples of the numbers given, I did number 5 for you. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's the first 5 multiples of the number 5. We're going in order, in alphabetical order of names. Ethan, you'll do 7. Jonathan will do 8. Kaylin will do 10. Ethan will do 20. Jonathan will do 25. And rounding us off will be Kaylin doing 100. Okay. So you ready, Ethan? The first 5 multiples of 7, please.
7, 14, 21, 28, and 35.
Good job. Okay. You're up next, Jonathan. First 5 multiples of the number 8.
8,
Okay.
16, 24, 32, 40, and 48.
So the first 5 stops at 40. Great job. Excellent job. Okay, Mr. Kalen, you're up next.
10, 20, 30,
You got the easy
40, 50. Yes, sir.
one. You got the easy peasy one. Okay, good, very good. Okay, Mr. Ethan.
28,
20, good,
40, 60,
good.
80, and 100.
Good job, excellent job. Okay, Master Jonathan, back to you.
25.
Mhm.
27.
25 times 2 gives us, and for this one, you may have to do a little bit of working. So you may have to set it up as a, oh, you know what? Think about it in terms of quarters.
50.
50, good. 25, 50. If I add another quarter, what do I get? So 25 times 3,
75.
75, excellent. And 25 times 4, I have 4 quarters.
300.
100. 25 times 4 is 100. And then the last one, so you see the pattern here, if we add 25 to our 100, what do we get?
125.
125, super, excellent job. Okay. And here you go, Master Kaylin, getting the easy ones.
100,
Mhm.
200, 300, 400, and 500.
Ah, you got all the easy ones. Good job, excellent work, gentlemen, very good. Okay, so Kaylin, what you can, not Kaylin, sorry, Jonathan, what you can do is go ahead and fill in the multiples table. So that's 2 exercises on the sheet you would have completed. And I know that Kaylin and Ethan did such a superb job that they got both of these 100% correct. So great job, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna clear up my screen.
How do you write?
Sorry, how do you what? Go ahead.
How do you type on the screen?
Okay, so to type on our screen, what we do is in the section on the top, if you take your cursor and move it towards the top of your screen, you'll see where it says annotate.
I don't see that.
You're at the top of your screen, you should see your mic, the video icon, security, participants, or maybe I'm seeing this because I'm host. But you have to move your cursor up to the top. Kaylin and Ethan, can you help him out? Can you see how to get annotate on your screens?
You go in the view options, and it's the third thing on the view options.
Okay, you got that, Jonathan? Go to view options.
I don't see that on my screen.
Where do you see view options, Ethan? Is it at the top or the bottom?
At the top,
At the top, okay. So you won't see it unless you take your cursor and actually place the cursor towards the top. Then it should pop up.
Do you want me to share my screen? That one.
You want to share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll stop sharing for half a second and then you go ahead, you share your screen. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see the view options, Ethan, thank you. Yes, view options and annotate, okay. So, so what you'll do, Jonathan, is you will go into Microsoft Word and you are going, or you can download, if you see there's a PDF version of what we're seeing at the bottom that you can download, but you can certainly go into Microsoft Word and you just list your answers in Word, okay?
Microscope.
Yeah, do you have Word on your computer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you can open that up and you can type your answers in there.
Yes.
If you go at the bottom to start, go to start.